Focus on something that you are comfortable with. You don't have to talk about rocket science. You don't have to talk about a topic that you're not comfortable with. Talk about something that you already know about. It could be Game of Thrones. It could be Tom and Jerry. It could be anything. I'm assuming it's in a situation where you can control your choice of topic, unless the topic is already given to you. So if the topic is already given to you, then you need to figure out, take more help probably from your colleagues, and see how that topic can be made more effective. So you need a little bit of help over there. That's what I would suggest to be able to construct a speech or a presentation in your own style. Make a list of topics that you want to talk about. Is it any food item, or is it the politics, or is it religion, or is it anything that works for you? Make a list of all those things. Make a list of the sub-list of those things that you want to talk about. Then go from there. If you put it across in a manner which is genuine, authentic, and it's your own thoughts, then it would be very easy for you to say it the way you really mean to say, right? It's just about sharing your thoughts. So do it in the simplest of possible manner.